Oh, I'm Alex Helm.
I'm Jennifer Dennison.
And I'm Jennifer Vanderhoof, and we are students at the University of South Alabama in the EDM 310 class, and our group name is Bacon.
We had topic 2. It says, a great many of the discussions we have about education in the developed world are, it seems to me, incredibly narrowly focused and short-sighted. What are our scores? How do we compare? How do we get kids more interested in what we want? How can we get them more degrees? We hear almost nothing about student passions and students learning the skills they need to reach their potential. What evidence does Prensky give in teaching digital natives to support this conclusion?
His idea is that if someone older than you can do it, then you can do it. As we age, it's harder to learn new things, but all we have to do is apply ourselves. What other evidence would you offer to support it?
It goes to motivating the students and getting them engaged. Teachers have to think about how to get their students engaged and how to keep their students motivated. Do you agree entirely with his assessment?
Yes, we agree with Prensky's assessment. Students in other countries are motivated because of the want to do better, the want to achieve more. Students in the United States are almost handed an education if they want one. In other countries, an education is not handed to them. The students have to want it and have to be engaged to achieve it. We can prove this by our scores on the PISA, which stands for the Program for International Student Assessment. So what are our scores?
On the 2012 PISA, the United States, among 34 countries, performed below average in mathematics. We ranked 26th among the 34 countries. In reading, we ranked close to average. We ranked 17th in the average ranks from 14 to 20. In science, we ranked 21 with the average ranks of 17 to 25. How do we compare?
As previously stated, the United States students were average in reading and science. Their scores were below average in math compared to 64 countries and economies that participated in the 2012 PISA. The pattern has not changed much since the PISA test was first given in 2000. How do we get kids more interested in what we want?
As educators, we can get the students more engaged in their learning by doing more project-based learning. The students will be more empowered to retain the information. How can we get them more degrees?
As an educator, we have to give our students the desire to want to achieve their education and their dreams. There are some parents out there that do not care about their child's education because they do not value the importance of an education. Educators have to motivate these students even more so they know the importance of an education.
We retrieved some of our information from the OECD website and the Washington Post website.